Hi, I'm Adam from the Department of Transport and Main Roads. We're out here today at Bribie Island to show you some important safety tips and tricks before you hit the sandy trail. Let's get into it. When packing, ensure it is loaded evenly with heavier items lower down. This will maintain the lower centre of gravity and reduce the risk of rollover. Never overload your vehicle, as overloading can affect your vehicle's stability and handling. Always remember to consider the weight of your passengers as part of this load. It's really important to ensure you have a high quality tyre pressure gauge to accurately measure the tyre pressure when you deflate your tyres. Make sure you travel at low tide, 2 hours either side, and stick to the harder sand. This provides better traction and reduces the risk of getting bogged. Avoid sharp turns and sudden braking, as these manoeuvres can also lead to rollovers. If you do happen to get bogged, ensure you have a shovel and traction aids on hand. These tools will help you regain traction and get back on the move. Keep to the speed limit and obey the road rules. Remember, these still apply on the sand. So pack your four-wheel drive wisely, drive responsibly, get out and make some unforgettable memories on the sand.